The lower end contains 5 surfaces: anterior, posterior, medial, lateral, and inferior surface, of which the 2 are of extreme importance. The medial surface, which has a significant bony landmark as mentioned earlier as the medial malleolus. The lateral surface, which contains a fibular notch. This is the spot where the interosseous membrane present between the tibia and the fibula is thickened and involved in making the distal inferior tibiofibular joint. Inferior surface is articular just like the superior surface, and this part articulates with the talus bone to form the foot joint. Now that you have understood the external features of the bone, we will now discuss its muscle attachments.